Take command of the road in the 2022 Ram 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split-folding rear seat, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and voice-activated navigation. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power-adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.